It's the actual record. That's probably not a bad idea because it's like easier to grab to. All right guys, so it's the 18th of June or July? I think it's June, right? Yeah, 18th of June today. We're gonna start filming this release video. You guys have already seen that, but I'm doing a bit of a behind the scenes as well. So I've got a couple of cameras set up. Today's the first shoot, and then during the week I'm gonna do the second and third scene, I think, and then heading out to Jaeger up in the next week or two. So yeah, just something a little bit different for you guys. A lot of you Patreon members get the behind the scenes stuff, so hope you enjoy this and learn something. But yeah, got a lot to do, so let's get to it. I'm trying to get some personalised plates for this thing, but for shoots like this, no one wants to see that crap, so I made a little built not bought thing. Tacky or no? No, that looks good from a distance, I reckon. Oh yeah, this is quite interesting. Hollywood right here. I'm using a smoke machine. Oh my God. But I'm worried that the ground in here, have a look. The ground's not real good. To avoid wasting our time, I'm gonna throw this under the back diff. I've never used it before. Look at it, it's pathetic. Yeah, it's cool, so the shed's still fairly dark. We'll do the feet thing and I'll... Yeah, so drop the aperture down as low as it can go.
Yeah. And go.
From the other side, I'll hop in again and shut the door, and you just sort of, maybe from the back, focus for where the door handle will be, and as I hop in, when it shuts, boom, it'll like be in focus. Yeah,
sweet.
Like that.
Okay.
And try and get the sort of helmet landing. Is it too dark or?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, roll that.
Yep. Cool.
Is it better like this? Yeah? Does it look like I'm...
Yeah, yeah, it does.
Just like...
It looks
I hate acting, what the f***? Is that cool? Alright.
Yeah, it looks sick.
We'll roll with that. So this is the shot where I want to get a lot of the shed.
Yeah, okay.
Well, not a lot, but like sort of...
You want a decent...
Yeah, quite as wide as it can go, yeah. Might go pan from left to right.
Yeah.
And then, because when I do the skid, we might go right to left. Nah, just keep holding it. It should stop itself because it only has a certain amount. I'm going to creep forward a bit so I'm up on here. So this time I want to try and get my knees and... Yeah, I'm doing a skid!
Oh, that's what you can smell.
We've done some damage.
Through the cores, boy.
Jesus. Oh, damn it, you got that? Hectic. Anyone got the time? Drawing back, hopefully I don't jump too far, and hopefully that smoke works. And stay straight. I forgot the locker. Something out of that'll work, I hope. All right, sick job. Good work. Still loud as fuck, eh? hidden. It comes out.
It jumped out.
Oh, that camera, and then use this as a front one. You know, use both, so at least you get the tire.
Okay, so that'll be it for today, the first shoot. We've done that first scene in the shed. Now I think we're going to head to Jagerup on the weekend, because I really wanted to actually film a couple of shots through Mundaring and come back to this location to shoot some shots out of the shed onto the road. But it was bloody raining all week, so I think we're gonna have to push that back, head to Jagerup on the weekend and get some shots there. So I think the first scene, we've got to hit up the dirt, do some tracking shots and stuff, and then we'll go out into the dunes using the drones and whatnot. I've got everything written down. Where's my book? There's a book with a full program, shot by shot, of what I want to do, because the thing with this kind of stuff, you really want to pre-plan a lot of what you do, so when you get to the location, you're not sitting there trying to figure that out. You can actually make the most of the sunlight, because time's against you when you want to work within that golden hour of like sort of 5 to 6, 7 o'clock. So that's the plan, really.
Yeah.
Fall out, it'll just break your back.
Yeah, that's it.
Your camera, isn't it? I don't know.
No.
What was that?
I was just checking with Nicky to see if it was clear up ahead.
One of the screws. How did that fall out? Come on. Oh God, it didn't like that. So hopefully we can get one going away from the car here, and the other day we'll get the one coming towards the car. That's the plan anyway. Oh, it's working now. So this is our launch pad. We've made it to the dunes now, and well, the big finale was the jump, which you saw, or maybe you didn't if this doesn't go to plan. But I'm thinking that's a good little ramp. Flatten that hump out and just pin it. I know it's got this second little bump here, which is a bit funny. Depending if it'll launch there or here. I might just drive up it a few times and make some tracks. Yeah. It's very soft, eh? Very soft. I reckon if you're in 4th gear, you'll be right. Oh. Hopefully they won't move. All right, so we're trying something different here. Ken Block inspiration, where he drives over like some light bulb things, but I'm going to do it with watermelons because we're in the sand. No idea how this is going to go. I may not even make the cut. I may just keep missing them. They may just be pushed out the way. I don't know, but you got to try these things. So we good? Where are you going to go?
Oh.
Not good. I hope you got the shot! Because it broke something. What happened?
The diff bracing's gone through the sump.
That's hectic.
And that's what the noise was. You'd be hitting the crane cheeks.
Yeah, it'd be the crane.
So I need to modify that brace. Must have hit so hard. We heard it, eh? So that's good 10 meters.
Get a shot of that.
Probably 12.
That'll be the first and last time I do that.
Alright, so it's the next day. Pretty much an epic finale last night, just as the sun was going down. We did the jump, and obviously had a couple of issues with putting a hole in my sump. So had a bit of a play around last night with pulling it off, checking the windage tray and that, and I couldn't really see any major damage, but every time you try and start it, there was like a real bad rattle. So best thing to do, instead of like playing around in the sand out there, get the thing home in the comfort of my own shed. So this is the view we have at the moment. Pan around, have a look. At least there's another patrol towing us. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at that video. If you haven't seen it, I'm sure you have already by the time you're watching this, but if you haven't, I'll link the main video down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Peace.
Oh hey, click the button to subscribe to my channel and you'll finally be happy.